Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make authentic and delicious Fante, also known as the Fisherman's stew, and you'll love this. And these are the things you will need. Here I have my fish, which is well washed and prepped. I have onions, and then I have my palm oil, tomatoes. Everything is just perfect here. I have my pakushito, which I will be using it to garnish it. Here I have some sliced onions, habanero peppers, and here I have my spices and then salt to taste. So we are going to start by seasoning our fish. So I will first add the salt and then add onion, ginger, and garlic powder. But you can add any spices of your choice, okay? I am going to rub the fish like this till they marry well with the spices, because I want the spices to be well infused in the fish for it to be very delicious. So after mixing it properly, I will then cover it using a cling film, but you can use anything to cover it as well. I will leave this to marinate for at least 20 minutes and then we will continue. If you are new here, I am Hirat and you are welcome. In my pan, I will go in with palm oil or red oil, and then I will add onions, saute for 1 to 2 minutes. And whilst at it, I am going to blend my tomatoes and onions. So I will add all the tomatoes in a blender, add pepper, and then add some onions, add water, and I am going to blend this till I'm okay with the consistency. Back to my oil, I am going to give it a quick stir and allow it to saute for 30 seconds before I add my blended ingredients into it. Fante or the fisherman's stew is one of the easiest recipes you can find on this YouTube. Some people always say Fante is a bit complicated, but to me, it is very easy to recreate and fast to make. So, after adding my blended ingredients, I will cover and allow it to fry till it is almost moist free, but not moist free. So, after frying for 10 minutes on medium heat, I will come back and then give it a quick stir, and after that I am going to add all my seasonings. I added onga stew seasoning, salt to taste, and then give it a quick mix for everything to be well combined. I don't do too much spices, so if you are okay with it, just add whatever you want. Okay, so next I am going to drop in all the marinated fish into the stew base, and we are going to boil, or we are going to steam this fish till it is well cooked. So after adding them, I will cover and allow it to boil or fry for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. After that, I will flip all the fish or turn the fishes so the other side can also cook very well. Make sure you put your heat on low heat or medium, because we don't want anything to scatter here and we don't want any burnt fancy. So I will cover again and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes before I open my pot, give it a stir again, and I am going to flip them over again to make sure they are well cooked. If you are still with me here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a big like to motivate me to always post recipes for you guys. And please don't forget to share this video, okay? And turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And next, I am garnishing it with some sliced onions and my pakushito. And this pakushito is a game changer, guys. This pakushito gives extra aroma and flavor to your stews and soup. So please don't sleep on pakushito, okay? I mean the green habanero pepper. So I will cover and allow it to simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then our Fante, also known as the Fisherman's stew, is ready just like that. So you can pair this stew with banku because it is popularly paired with banku, but you can also pair it with rice, and it tasted so good, but I didn't get the chance to take a video of it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very end. Bye bye.